Yeah. So you need one more player, right? Somebody can repeat here. One of you can repeat. Okay, yeah, throw. Must be what to do. Who catching? You're catching? Okay. Line, man. Okay, what are you putting first? First, what are you putting? Come on, please, one more.
No.
Yeah. So you are both are equal now. You guys have to win. Yeah, totally two. Both teams are 2-2. You guys are 1. You need to win now. Who are the ones who haven't played yet? Yaar visiting, yaar throw pandrega. Don't who haven't played. You have to throw. You need two catches. Right. You need 2 catches. Be careful. Ready. Come on. Other 2.
I'm one of them.
You are there?
Yep.
Okay, Nikki will take. Radha, he will take. You want to throw or catch?
Catch or throw?
Good throw.
No.
Last. No. Okay, here. This is the last thing. Now, so Maya is 2. And Mia is only 1 now. You have last 2 chances. You catch both, you win. You catch one, you draw with them.
Come on, give them Medua.
No!
Last ball, tie it. Come on.
No!
Ball. Okay, now we have to break the tie now. Okay. One panla ipo. Seriya? Okay. Illa. Solra. Adu illa. Vera maari pannalam. Okay, neenga enna pandringa unga teamla the team clear. You will have 3 throwers. Which are all catches. Okay? So 3 throwers mudi pannunga, catches ah irunga. Sikam. Fast. Good team. Next one. Yeah, throw. Vinod. Adlu konjam funny irukku. Adutha. Unga team la mattum 3 throwers inge which are all catches. 3 throwers adra inno throw irukku. 1 inno throw irukku. 2 3. Okay, igala Seri. All of you 1-1. ஒரே கண்டிஷன். அஞ்சு பேர் வெளிய வாய் தரதுங்க. வெளிய வெல்ல வாய். கோபால் விஸ்வார். ஒரே ஒரு சேஞ்ச் இருக்குன்னா கோபால் திருவன் விஸ்வார். ஓகே. Go to throw like this. யாராவது கேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. யார் கேட்ச் பண்ணீங்க? ஒருத்தர் கேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. வீசி போறீங்க சொல்லுங்க. சென்டரா அப்படி வீசி போறேன். சரி அண்ணா. சரி ஒரே 2-3 வரை அடிச்சு மண்டையோட சார் கம்பெனி பொறுப்பு இல்ல. ரெடி? ஃபேன் இருக்கு பாரு.
Hey, you're out of the team.
Yeah. Don't see the back. Hey, என்ன பக்கம்? Which side you going?
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா தள்ளி வீசுப்பா.
Okay. Yeah, எடுத்துங்க. Okay. Our team 1-3. Next team. 3 throwers யாரு?
சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு
கமலா ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி